Hey there, I'm Amy Feller with Feller Roofing, the home of the roofer chick, and today we're doing a project spotlight. This is a roof in New Braunfels, Texas, and this roof was older, and the customer asked us to come out and do an inspection, and we went out and looked, and we saw that they did have hail damage. This neighborhood is on the east side of I-35, and there has been hail in there. So the customer called their insurance, the insurance came out, and they agreed that there was hail damage. Now, some of the signs that we look for when we're out doing an inspection to see if there has been hail damage, of course there's the shingles, which takes a pretty trained eye to be able to see the hits in the shingle. But we also look at the soft metals, things like power vents or turtle vents, or even lead pipe jacks or your gutters. And that's how we can tell sometimes if there's been hail there. So anyway, insurance came out, agreed, and we did a full replacement. And this customer opted to get a dimensional shingle like what they had, and we went back with a color that is called natural timber. The roof turned out beautiful. You can see we also did a new custom metal cricket on the chimney to protect that area and make sure that it doesn't leak and that it sheds water properly. And we also installed ridge vent for ventilation on this roof. That's our project highlight for today. Again, I'm Amy Feller with Feller Roofing, home of the roofer chick.